you know what this is? These are like dry erase markers, so you can write on the solid colored circles. Cool. Look. We got a new file cabinet.
Oh!
You can put your stuff in there. We'll see. Set that up.
Sweet.
Do you like your headboard?
Yes. Whoa, cool.
You can put your books in there when you read at night.
What's this?
That's just a piece of paper. Do you like your lamp?
Yes, I love my lamp. Ooh, cool.
You like that?
Yes. That's cool. Ew, my chair.
See how organized everything
You
is?
got another lamp?
Mm-hmm. You needed a lamp for your desk, right?
Yes.
And look, all your tennis stuff is above